Venomous Wonders, Exploring the Snake Kingdom, Part 2. Step into the fascinating world of venomous snakes, where beauty meets danger in the wild. From cobras to vipers, these creatures play vital roles in ecosystems while commanding awe and respect. This journey uncovers their secrets, survival strategies, and the science behind their deadly power. 21. Eastern Brown Snake, Pseudonaja textilis. Native to Australia, the eastern brown snake is one of the world's most venomous land snakes. It is fast, alert, and delivers neurotoxic venom that can be fatal. Despite its danger, it plays a key role in rodent control. 22. Eastern Indigo Snake, Drymarchon cooperi. The eastern indigo snake is a large, non-venomous snake native to the southeastern United States. Glossy black in color, it is known for its gentle nature and impressive size. It feeds on a wide range of prey, including venomous snakes. 23. Red Corn Snake, Pantherophus guttatus. The red corn snake is a non-venomous constrictor popular in the pet trade for its calm temperament and vibrant colors. Native to the southeastern US, it helps control rodent populations. Its name comes from its corn-like belly pattern. 24. Green Mambas. Green mambas are fast, venomous snakes found in coastal forests of Africa. Their bright green color provides camouflage among trees and bushes. Though less aggressive than the black mamba, their neurotoxic venom is highly dangerous. 25. Egyptian Cobra, Nea Haji. This iconic cobra is found across North Africa and parts of the Middle East. It can deliver a potentially fatal bite and is known for its hood display when threatened. The Egyptian cobra holds a prominent place in ancient mythology. 26. Colubridae, colubrid snakes. Colubridae is the largest snake family, containing over half of all known snake species. Most colubrids are non-venomous and found in diverse habitats worldwide. They vary widely in size, color, and behavior. 27. Checkered garter snake, Thamnophis marcianus. A harmless and adaptable snake, the checkered garter snake is found in the southern US and Mexico. It has a distinctive black and white checkered pattern. This active hunter preys on amphibians, insects, and small fish. 28. Forest cobra, Nea melanoluca. The forest cobra is Africa's largest true cobra, known for its striking black and white pattern. It is highly venomous and can reach over 10 feet in length. It lives in forests and near water, where it hunts fish, frogs, and rodents. 29. Green anaconda, Unex murinus. The green anaconda is one of the heaviest and largest snakes in the world, native to South America. This non-venomous constrictor is aquatic and preys on large animals like capybaras and caimans. It is powerful, stealthy, and rarely seen in the wild. 30. Banded water snake, Nereida fasciata. Often mistaken for venomous cottonmouths, the banded water snake is a non-venomous species found in the southeastern US. It lives near freshwater and is excellent at swimming. It feeds on fish, frogs, and aquatic invertebrates. 31. Ringneck snake, Diadephis punctatus. The ringneck snake is a small, non-venomous species known for the bright ring around its neck. It is secretive and mostly nocturnal, often hiding under rocks or logs. It feeds on insects, amphibians, and small reptiles. 32. King cobra, Ophiophagus hanna. The king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake, reaching up to 18 feet in length. It primarily preys on other snakes and delivers a powerful neurotoxic venom. Revered and feared across Asia, it can raise its body and flare a dramatic hood. 33. Mozambique spitting cobra, Nea mosambica. This highly venomous African cobra can accurately spit venom into the eyes of threats from several feet away. Its venom causes severe pain and potential blindness. It is fast, alert, and often active both day and night. 34. Philippine cobra, Nea philippinensis. Endemic to the Philippines, this cobra is among the most dangerous due to its highly neurotoxic venom. It can spit venom and deliver fatal bites. It prefers lowland forests, agricultural fields, and often stays near water sources. 35. Inland taipan, Oxyuranus microlepidotus. Also known as the fierce snake, the inland taipan is the most venomous snake in the world. Native to Central Australia, it is reclusive and rarely encountered. Just one bite can kill multiple humans, though it seldom bites unprovoked. 36. Saw-scaled viper, Aechis carinatus. This small, aggressive viper is found in dry regions of Asia and the Middle East. It produces a rasping sound by rubbing its scales together as a warning. Despite its size, it causes more snakebite deaths than any other species in its range. 37. Russell's viper, Daboia russelli. Russell's viper is a highly venomous snake widespread in Asia. Its potent venom can cause severe internal bleeding and kidney failure. It is responsible for many snakebite fatalities in India due to its proximity to human settlements. 38. Tiger snake, Notechus scutatus. Tiger snakes are highly venomous and found across southern Australia and Tasmania. Their name comes from their distinctive banded pattern. They are strong swimmers and deliver venom that affects the nervous system and blood. 39. Puff adder, Betes arietans. The puff adder is a thick-bodied, venomous viper found across Africa. It relies on camouflage and will hiss loudly when threatened. Responsible for many snakebite incidents in Africa, it delivers a cytotoxic venom that destroys tissue. 40. Indian cobra, Nea nea. The Indian cobra is a highly venomous snake found across the Indian subcontinent. Recognizable by its distinctive hood and spectacled pattern, it holds a prominent place in Indian culture and mythology. Despite its fearsome reputation, it usually avoids human contact unless threatened. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.